Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout text from your product page. In my case, you can see the text is here and I am going to remove this. Let's come to the admin panel of Shopify and you have to go to online store, and here in online store, you have to customize your theme. Here we go. Here is all the options of my themes, and you have to go to the product page. Here is it. Here is default product. Here we go. Now this is the page which have this text, shipping calculated at checkout. Actually it is a block here at this position, and we have to hide this block, and if you want to delete this, you can delete as well. So this is a way how to remove this text, shipping calculated at checkout, from your product page. After changing it, you have to save the file. You have to save it. Let me see the effect of this change. Here is it. I'm going to refresh the page. Now you can see our text has gone. So this is a way how to remove shipping calculated at checkout text from your product page. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.